Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. I'm your teacher Faiza, and today we will learn about a new concept of up and down. Now let's start it with the activity. Show me your thumbs up and thumbs down. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Very good. Now touch your head. Head up, head down, head up, head down. Good job. Now show me your hands. Bring your hands up. Bring your hands down. Hands up, hands down. Very good. Now we will clear this concept with more examples. Are you ready? So here we go. Look at this lift. People are going in this lift up and this lift is going down. Lift up, lift down. Now look at these children. They are playing on seesaw. One child is up and one child is going down. Now look at here. One child is sitting up on the slide and the other child is standing down. In this picture, the boy is going up the stairs and this child is coming down the stairs. Now look at these balloons. The balloons are going up and this bird is coming down on the ground to eat something. So I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. We will meet again with more concepts. Till then, take a very good care of yourselves. Goodbye.